Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Webflow. First, create your Webflow account by signing up on their website. Next, select a plan that fits your project needs, ranging from free to enterprise options. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Webflow Designer, which is your primary workspace. You will see the Canvas, Navigator, and Style panels. Then, decide whether to start with a blank project or choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates to accelerate your build. Now, let's dive into designing. Webflow offers a powerful visual canvas where you can drag and drop elements directly onto your page. You have complete control over styling, using hundreds of CSS properties to customize fonts, colors, and spacing. Remember to design responsively. Webflow allows you to adjust layouts for desktop, tablet, and mobile views, ensuring your site looks perfect on every screen size. This visual approach makes design accessible and efficient. Next, enrich your site with dynamic content and engaging interactions. Webflow's Content Management System, or CMS, allows you to create collections for blog posts, products, or team members, making content updates simple. You can also add sophisticated animations and micro-interactions without writing any code, bringing your designs to life. Furthermore, easily integrate forms for lead capture and connect with hundreds of third-party services to extend functionality. Finally, it's time to publish your masterpiece and ensure it's discoverable. Prepare your site for launch by connecting a custom domain, which is straightforward within Webflow's hosting settings. Crucially, optimize your site for search engines by adding relevant meta titles and descriptions to each page. After publishing, continuously monitor your site's performance using built-in analytics or integrating external tools to track visitor engagement and make informed improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.